Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the use of adapter in spinner and list view. By the help of adapter, we will learn how to create a spinner, how to add information or data in a spinner. Later on, we will also make a program in which we will add some data in list view, and then we will make a custom list view also. But before starting these, we have to learn about the role of adapter. As you see in the diagram, here we having a list view. So this list view will display some data. So in other programming language, what we do, we having a array and we pass the value in a list view and it automatically display. If I talk about .NET or other programming language, but in case of Android, we need a adapter and the source of data. This data source may be array. This data source may be any file. This data source may be any runtime information, any JSON information, any kind of information that you want to display in list view. Just just if I talk about the commercial application like Flipkart and Amazon, so they take information in JSON format, and with the help of retrofit library, they fetch the information from database and pass to adapter. Then adapter is useful for displaying information in list view. So why we are using adapter? Because this list may be last long and maybe it take lot of time when you are loading information from the source to list view. But at the fundamental principle of Android is that automatically your application will shut down or crash if it take more than 5 seconds. Means if you are loading a data in list view and that data is not coming within a 5 second, then automatically your application will crash. But as you see in Amazon and Flipkart, we have a lot of lot of data to be displayed in list view. So it take lot of time. Maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, you are suffering from the website and list is coming and coming. So it is not possible to put the all data together in a list view. For that we use adapter. So adapter is fetching a data at the background. List view is just for display, and at the background the adapter is work and it fetch the data from the source and display to the list view. And automatically this adapter is a multi-threading class. So that's why it is separately running at the background and giving data to the list view. This is the fundamental overview why we are using a adapter. Now we see the example of spinner. Here I have a activity. I will give you a demo of spinner and the adapter, how to load a data in a spinner by using a spinner. So for that I have to take a spinner also first. Where is my spinner? Text view. So this is the spinner. If I drag and drop this here, so it look like this way. This is spinner, and we can set the property of a spinner also. We can set this way. So we touch this point, touch there. We can put it to 0 full width. Here also touch to this way. We can give it to 0 the full width. We can also touch it to this way and drop down also. So here in list view we will display some information. So we can give the match parent also. Match parent. Now name of the spinner is spinner. So in a Java code we will do all the coding. So what we have to do, first of all we are creating an object of spinner, spinner. Then we are creating an array. So we can link spinner also first of all with the layout file. So find view by id r dot id dot spinner this way. Now we need a array, the source of data. So for that we are creating a string array. string name of language array, and we are passing the value in this array, like C language, then C++ language, then Java language, then Python language, then JavaScript language, like this. Now we need adapter also. So here we are using a array adapter, and here we are passing the string of a string type. Because it's a generic class, we have to give the data type also. So we say a adapter. Any name you can give to the object. Now we are creating an object of adapter. We are creating a adapter, array adapter, and passing here string, and in a parameter we have to pass three value. First value is a context, so get application context. Second is a layout, so by default layout we are using here android dot r dot layout dot spinner, simple spinner item. Then the source of data source is a language which we are using here. So first parameter is a context, second parameter is a layout. This is an inbuilt layout is provided by Android. We can replace this layout later on by over layout, custom layout if we want, and this is the data which we want to display. Now we having a spinner dot set adapter. So here we are giving a adapter. So adapter means we are in a spinner, we are passing a data in form of adapter. Now we can do event handling also. Spinner dot set on item item click listener new on item click listener. So when you click on this item, it should display the toast value, what value you have selected. Again get context, then the value is adapter dot get item, and the position is I. Then the duration is toast dot short dot show. So this way we will display the value which we are going to select from the adapter. Now we run this code. It will take a little bit of time. Now it's installing. You see, it will run here. It's showing error in this program. We have did some mistake. Mistake is that in place of item click listener, we have to select the event item selected listener. So this is the problem. So we have to take item selected listener, then new on item selected listener. So this code we have to write. This code we have to write when we select an item in a list view. Because we are selecting item, we are not clicking on this. So this event is not fair. We have to use the on item selected listener. One more thing, we have to give the layout to adapter also. Drop down resource view that is also available in Android. Android dot r dot Android dot r dot layout dot spinner drop down item. So this we have to also set. Why? Because we want when you click on a spinner, it show some drop down menu. So this drop down menu is this layout. So now when we runs again this code, it will run like this way. Now you see C language is coming here. So when I select more languages, Python, so it will also display Python language. So this way it will run, and you see this is drop down layout, and this is the single spinner layout. So there are two types of layout attached with this, and this data is coming from the adapter, and this is the toast. So this is all about in spinner. And next program we will see in place of a spinner the list view. How can we display data in list view? See you again and bye.